Okay, hi everyone, welcome to another video. First of all, this video isn't a tutorial per se. I'll be attempting to revive a Huawei phone that had a rather impactful encounter with the ground and it lost. This is my first time trying to repair a cell phone. As I had mentioned in my previous video, I'm just getting started with editing. I worked on this video over several days and I had to combine various clips. So I would appreciate any feedback on the editing. I am using DaVinci Resolve for that. Now about this phone, it's a Huawei P30. It took a hit near the front camera and it stopped working at all. So I wasn't sure if it was damaged beyond just the screen. I followed some tutorials to replace the screen. These screens come with the frame included, so the process involves transferring all the components from one case to another. Some components are obvious, like the cameras, headphone jack, battery, and USB connector. Just be careful about how things fit together and avoid mixing of screws. So let's see the process. So that was it. At the end, the cell phone startups well. The screen was working correctly. Just the top speaker didn't work, so it had, but the other things of the phone are totally functional. All the apps and the games works fine. I have an internet connection in that moment, but you can see all the screen is working well. All the functions of the phone. I also made some tests in 3D Mark. You can see the results. I have used this phone for some time now, but I didn't use it, like my personal phone, just for games and other apps. The only detail that the phone has left is this little antenna, that it's not in its place. It's free, it's not where it should be. You can see it now. But everything seems to work fine. The fingerprint is not like working well because the screen protector, the screen protection. I am also show you the camera. Works well. I have recorded some videos with it and it's working really well. And so that's it. If you like this video or find it useful, please give us a like. And for the next video I'm going to change this screen of this Google Pixel. I want to fix this for my personal use. I'm just waiting for the new screen to change it. So thank you very much, and see you on the next video.